Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to earn extra money promoting products? Today I'll show you how to use eBay's affiliate program where you earn commission every time someone buys an item through your referral link. So let's get started. The first step is to sign up for the eBay Partner Network, and you can do that by visiting partnernetwork.ebay.com. Right here, this website, click on it and click on join now and sign up, and fill out your personal or business details. Just go here. Once you log in with your eBay account, you're gonna have to enter your company information or your information, etc. Now once you do that, the second step is to get the affiliate link. Now once approved, log into your EPN account and use the link generator to create custom links for any eBay products, store or category. After you do that, the third step is to share your links. Once you get the affiliate links, you're gonna share them on blogs, social media, YouTube description, or email newsletter. And start earning commissions when someone clicks your link and buys an eBay product. You'll earn a percentage-based commission. And also, commissions depend on the product's category. Now for the fifth step is to track performance and payments. And you can do that by monitoring your clicks and sales from the EPN dashboard. Earnings are typically paid out monthly via PayPal or bank transfer. And once you do that, you are now set up to make money through the eBay affiliate program. Focus on high traffic products or niche categories for better conversions, and use affiliate links in review videos, tutorials, or blog posts for natural promotion. And always disclose affiliate links to stay compliant. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.